If you use Microsoft Office often, this tiny setting can save you a surprising amount of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the mini toolbar on selection so you can format text faster and work more efficiently. If this tip helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. To turn on the mini toolbar, first open the Office app you want to change, such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Once you're inside, look to the top left corner and click File. From there, go down and select Options. This opens the settings window for the application. In the Options window, click General on the left-hand side. This section contains a lot of interface and editing preferences, so take your time and look carefully. Now scroll until you find the User Interface Options area. Here, you'll see a checkbox labeled Show Mini Toolbar on Selection. Go ahead and check that box. This setting tells Office to display a small floating toolbar whenever you highlight text or select content. It gives you quick access to common formatting tools without having to move all the way up to the ribbon. After checking the box, click OK to save your changes. That's it. The mini toolbar should now appear whenever you select text or other editable content, making simple formatting tasks much faster. If you ever want to turn it off later, just come back to the same File, Options, General menu and uncheck the same setting. That's the full process for enabling the mini toolbar on selection. Simple, quick, and very useful if you want to speed up your workflow. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials for useful productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.